Alright, today's Sunday. What is it? The 12th? May 12th? Around 6:36 in the evening. I've got a couple things to show you. Part of my fire, but I've been stacking stuff there and cleaning the house. But I got the grandfather clocks in. And we just missed the chimes. But here's Rockster. And hang on. Back up. Stay. Alrighty, let me get his leash. I'm going to put you guys down. Come here. You know the routine out here. There you go. Alright, there's my boy. Jizz on his 40-foot tether. And, well, sorry I haven't put anything up, and I know I was going to try last week or 2 weeks ago. Get my garden planted after I rototilled the first time, but, well, Kentucky weather doesn't cooperate too well with plans. I've got my pond I've got to clean out. It is literally almost bone dry. Yeah, definitely got to clean out. But as you can tell, I've got to weed it now. I finally got motivated and started able to do work again. Got used to my new schedule. And I got my irises, I do believe, coming in up in full bloom. Dark purple, purple and white, pink. Ooh, pink. White ones. Let's get some more. Alrighty. Now, yeah, I gotta straighten it up. But it still works. Now, my Dietz blew its fuel pump, so I replaced that. Right now, it just doesn't want to start, but I don't blame it. I might have flooded it trying to get it started. Oops. Now, like I said, it's 6:36 in the evening, and I spent 2 hours out here doing this. Rototilling my garden. And my mints are coming back. Yeah, I love my mints. And I'm trying to remember which this one was. This was an herb I got last year. It came back and it's in bloom, so might be basil. I don't know. Let me get a closer look. See, there's the buds, there's the leaves. So you know, grow me something, mister, or Linda. Yeah, I haven't forgot, but it's kind of hard digging, and I finally got getting used to the pain in my leg and learn to live with it. And yes, you will get to some. Just let me know. Do you want a black one, pink and white? I'm sorry, purple and white, black. And I'll show you. Because I got more than enough. And I know you want some, but I couldn't remember what colors. So, we're just kind of moseying on down. I got pink ones. Looky. Pink ones over there. I got a real dark purple close to black. I don't know how well that shows up. Oops, sorry. Then I got, the standards. I don't know what caused these to fall over, but I got ones like these. I definitely got to transplant those. Dig them up. Really get in here again. Let's see now. See what my tarp did. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be a piece of cake. I just gotta stand something because roots went through. Look at that. Look at that. That's so nice and neat. Here, look at how bad this takes. Oh, look at that. This ain't gonna be hard at all to weed. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. It blooms. But I got so many vines growing up in it. I think I'm just gonna cut it back. Cut it all the way down this fall. And see what happens. These I have no idea. They never bloom. I just mow them down. He's after something. He's after something. He's after something. All right, let's do this one more time. I'm liking it. Oh, that didn't take long at all. Oh, and it's hard to some of it is because the roots have gone through the material. You know. I'm just trying to get. There it goes. Now some of it, because of the holes, is going to come through the holes. I'll put you down for a minute. Man, I can't believe I got that much reusable. Space. Oh. All right, guys. I really like that. That didn't take long at all. I shouldn't keep you guys on. So, I got my plants. Let me show you those, because I'm going to hopefully get those planted tonight when it cools off. That I am literally exhausted. A few things need to be given a drink to. Pardon me while I there's some of them. There's some that I get young yellow onions, and actually I found a place that actually sold a ghost pepper. Yeah, I got a lot that needed to be drank. But I'm gonna leave them out here. Hopefully the wind doesn't get too bad, and I'm gonna plant them tonight under probably the moonlight, and I'll let you guys see what happens. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.